Good day, Matalinos! For today's video, I will teach you how to solve some examples in solving quadratic equations by extracting square roots. So let's get started with the first given. So we have the first equation, x squared plus 3 is equal to 51. So this equation is called quadratic equation. So the first thing to do is to transpose positive 3 to the other side. Because 51 is a constant number, so we need to transpose positive 3. So when we transpose positive 3 to the other side, it will become negative. So we have 51, negative 3 or minus 3. So ang natira sa kabilang side ay x squared. So we have x squared is equal to 51 minus 3. So we will subtract 3 from 51. So we have 51 minus 3 is 48. And in the other side, we have x squared. So to get the value of x, we need to extract its square root. So we have square root of x squared and square root of 48. Laging tatandaan, the rule in math, kung ano ang ginawa sa kabilang side, ay yun din ang gagawin natin sa kabilang side. Since ginawa natin, hinanap natin ang square root, hahanapin din natin ang square root ng kabilang side. So we have square root of x squared, so we have cancel ang exponent na 2 at cancel ang radical sign. So ang natira na lang is si x is equal now to the square root of 48. Ngayon, dahil si 48 ay walang perfect square or wala siyang perfect square root, so ang gagawin natin, ifa-factor natin si 48. So we have factor of 48, list down the factor of 48. So we have 12 and 4. We have also 8 and 6. We have also 16 and 3. So, using those factors or these factors, ang gagawin natin, hahanapin natin dito ang merong perfect square na factor. So, we have 12 and 4 and 16 and 3. Pero ang kukunin natin, yung value na sa palagay natin, wala ng factor ang isa pang number. Example, si 4 ay perfect square. Okay? So, si 4 may perfect square root, which is 2. How about si 12? Si 12 may factor pa. So, hindi natin siya pwedeng kunin. So, 8 walang perfect square root. 6 walang perfect square root, kaya hindi natin siya pwedeng kunin. Si 16 may perfect square root, which is 4. And si 3 walang factor. So, ang factor na kukunin natin dito ay 16 and 3. Okay? So, we have square root of 16, which is positive 4. So, we have positive 4 here, square root of 3. So, now, the value of our x is equal to positive negative 4 square root of 3. Mathematics, for you to able to know if your answer is correct, is by means of checking. So, we have the given x squared plus 3 is equal to 51. So, the roots of x squared plus 3 is equal to 51 are if x is equal to 4 square root of 3 or if x is equal to negative 4 square root of 3. So, by means of substitution, we can find out if our roots are correct or the solutions are correct. So, the first one, 4 square root of 3, so we have x squared will become 4 square root of 3 square. And then, we have plus 3 is equal to 51. So, we need to square this one. 4 square root of 3 multiplied by itself, which is 4 square root of 3. So, we have 4 times 4 is 16. And then, we have this one, cancel. So, 16 times 3 plus 3 is equal to 51. 16 times 3 will become 48. Plus 3 is equal to 51. So, we have 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. 51 is equal to 51. So, the first root is correct. The solution for the first root is correct. Now, let us proceed to the other root, which is x is equal to negative 4 square root of 3. So we need to substitute square root of negative 4 square root of 3 to our given. So we have negative 4 square root of 3 square plus 3 is equal to 51. So in the rule in mathematics, negative integers or negative number multiplied by negative will become positive. So we have negative 4 square root of 3 multiplied by negative 4 square root of 3. It will become 16 square root of 9. Or should I say, let us cancel this one, and cancel this one. It will become positive. So we will remove this part. So ang matitira na lang, katulad ng kanina, dahil in-square natin to, so we have 16 times 3 na lang ulit ang matitira. So we have plus 3 is equal to 51. So 16 times 3 is 48 plus 3 is equal to 51. So we have 51 is equal to 51. Let's have another example, which is 4x squared minus 9 is equal to 71. Obviously, this equation is called quadratic equation because of the degree of 2. So the first thing to do is to transpose negative 9 to the other side. So we have 4x squared will remain on the left side, while negative 9 to be transposed on the other side. So 71, negative 9 will become positive. So it will become plus 9. So we have 4x squared is equal to 71 plus 9. So 4x squared is equal to 71 plus 9 is very good. So we have 80. So the first thing to do before we need to find the square root of 4x squared, we need to simplify it first. So divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x squared, which is 4. So we have 4, 4. So cancel, cancel. And then we have x squared is equal to 80 divide 4 is 20. So we have x squared is equal to 20. Now, we will look for the square root of this one. So we have square root of x squared is x. We have cancel this one, is equal to the factor of 20 are 10 and 2, 4 and 5, 20 and 1. Since 10 and 2, those numbers do not have perfect square root, so we will not consider those numbers. While 4 and 5, 4 has a perfect square root, so we will consider it. So we have square root of 4 times 5, so the square root of 4 is 2. So we will solve for the square root of 4, which is 2. So we have positive negative 2 square root of 5. So the roots are x sub 1 is equal to positive 2 square root of 5 and x sub 2 is equal to negative 2 square root of 5. The roots are like this. X sub 1 is equal to positive 2 square root of 5 and x sub 2 is equal to negative 2 square root of 5. Let us check if the roots are correct or if our solutions are correct. So the first root, which is x is equal to 2 square root of 5. So let us substitute this value to the given, which is 4x squared minus 9 is equal to 71. So we have 4 multiplied by 2 square root of 5. Isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng x to this 1. So meron siyang square minus 9 is equal to 71. So 2 square root of 5 square, or sabihin natin na 2 square root of 5 multiplied by 2 square root of 5 will become 4 square root of 25. So ito yung isang way na hindi tayo magka-cancel. So minus 9 is equal to 71. So square root of 25, meron siyang perfect square root, kaya ilalabas natin siya. So we have 4 multiplied by 4. The square root of 25 is 5 minus 9 is equal to 71. So ang gagawin natin, imumultiply natin yung dalawa. So we have 4. 4 times 5 is 20 minus 9 is equal to 71. So 4 multiplied by 20 is 80 minus 9 is equal to 71. So we have 71 is equal to 71. So the first root satisfies the given equation. How about the second one? So we have if x is equal to negative 2 square root of 5. So we have 4, the given, the numerical coefficient, and let us substitute the value of x squared to this one. So we have negative 2 square root of 5 square minus 9 is equal to 71. So negative 2 square root of 5 multiplied by negative 2 square root of 5 will become positive 4 square root of 25. Again, negative multiplied by negative will become positive. So we have minus 9 is equal to 71. So square root of 25 has a perfect square root, which is 5. So we have 4 multiplied by 4 times the perfect square root of 25 is 5 minus 9 is equal to 71. So 4 times 5 is 20. So we have 4 times 20 minus 9 is equal to 71. So 4 times 20 is 80 minus 9 is equal to 71. 80 minus 9 is 71 is equal to 71. So the two solutions satisfy the given equation, which is 4x squared minus 9 is equal to 71.